Hey, this is not a part of the video. Go. Did you ever saw that?
Pull me up some rock, whoa, fill it to the top, whoa. Getting bent 7 days a week, that's a lot, whoa. New chain, that's a lot, whoa. Too drippy, get the mop, whoa. Counting money, bloopers only, just know that's a lot, whoa.
Skxppy.
Hello. Welcome to another video. I am your host Skxppy, and today we will be I don't know who the fuck I was just trying to be. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. And hey, notification. Welcome back to another video, and yeah, that's it. So you want to be a music producer? If your answer is yes, then I'll tell you. It's super simple. You ready? Just make music. That's it. And I know that answer is cliche. I'm gonna hear some people say, oh, but what about selling beats and collaborating with artists and making the craziest beat that I could think of? Well, that's not what it takes. That's what you get out of it. Those are the effects of being a music producer. And obviously, your next question is gonna be, so if those are the effects, what gets me to those effects? What are the causes? Well, I'll tell you right now. The causes are you wanting. That simple. You wanting to make music. You actually making music is all that it takes to make you a music producer. By you clicking on a video that's titled How to Become a Music Producer or The Secret to Becoming a Music Producer is literally your first step to becoming a music producer. So, congratulations. So, now that you already completed step 1, which is looking for the information, now I'm going to put you on 5 other steps to help you become a music producer. So let's get to it. So the first thing that I would say is super crucial to becoming a music producer is getting a laptop. Like, word. A laptop is what you're going to do everything with. Download your DAW, plug up your keyboard too, your interface, everything. Alright? So that is the main and most important part of this video, and that's why it's first. Now, you're going to ask me, what type of laptop do I need? I don't know. But I will say this. If you are just starting out, you do not need the creme de la creme of laptops. My first laptop was a Lenovo ThinkPad. I forget which actual model it was, but when I do find out, I'll put it right here. So, if you're eager and really trying to get started today, I would recommend. It's not that hard. Just talk. I would recommend that you go to your nearest Best Buy, Target, or Walmart, get in a laptop that's less than $200, and boom, you can get started working today. So, the next thing that's very important, almost as important as the laptop, is your DAW, your DAW. So, for those of you who do not know what a DAW is your digital audio workstation. So, a DAW, for example, would be like FL Studio, Ableton Live, Logic Pro, Pro Tools. I know the next question I'm gonna get is, okay, but which DAW is good for me to use? Well, I'm about to let you know right now. FL Studio is priced at $100, and it is beginner friendly. It's a little less intuitive than its counterparts, but it does have a cleaner design, which is a fair trade-off. The next DAW is Ableton Live. It is also priced at $100. It is also beginner friendly, and this DAW focuses on having an easier workflow. The next DAW we're going to talk about is Logic Pro. Out of the 3, it is the most intuitive, but of course, that intuitiveness does kill the beginner friendly, so this is for more intermediate to advanced music producers. And Logic Pro is priced at $199 for the standard model. And lastly, we will be talking about something that is a little personal to my heart, because this is the software that I started using. And honestly, seeing how they went from where they were in 2013 now to 2022, their design for the website and for all of the stuff has dramatically improved. Now, this website is called Soundation. The price varies because they have memberships. The first membership is $4.99. The second membership is $9.99, and the last one is $30. Soundation does need Google Chrome to work, but allows you an unlimited number of projects and also holds 15,000 sounds and loops. And don't worry, y'all, I'm not sponsored, I'm just a fan.
Shit, but I need to be.
And this app is also super beginner friendly, as in like they give you a tutorial. So your next step into becoming a music producer is getting the sound from your laptop to your ears. Now, I'm not telling you to go and buy some big ass big old grandidioso speakers. Some regular Johns work just fine. So if you cannot afford speakers like I couldn't when I first started, of course most studio headphones will work, but a pair that I've been using for years now are these AKGs. I'm gonna put a picture and a price of what those are here, and as you can see, I still have them to this day. Now if you can afford studio speakers, here are some options for you. So the speakers that I have are called M-Audio AU32s, them right here, and I think they are running for $100 now. Before, when I got it, it was like $80. So, and a pair of speakers that I still want to get till this day, but I looked at when I was first trying to get speakers, are called the Mackie CRX, and those are running for about $80 right now. And they have a cool LED light on them. So the next thing that you're gonna need on your journey to becoming a music producer is an interface. Now, I don't know much about interfaces, but I do know that I got one and I had her for years and she still works. And the interface that I have is a Tascam 2x2. And while I was
day after day, seems like I push again.
This interface is going for $180 right now, which is not too bad, but it's a little on the pricey side. Another interface that I looked into was the Focusrite 2x2, the 3rd generation. It is a USB, just like the Tascam 2x2, but the only difference is that this one is $10 less, so it goes for $170. Those are the 5 things that I have for you to help you become a music producer. But wait, I got 2 more for you. These things are gonna help you along your journey and keep you motivated to keep pushing. So another step is knowledge. Now that you have all of this stuff, what are you gonna do with it? Not for real, like, what are you gonna do with it? You don't know. And you don't know because you're missing one crucial thing, which is knowledge. So knowledge is the most important part of the whole ordeal, because it's the thing that you're gonna use the most. We gain knowledge in a plethora of ways. I learned by spending hours upon hours on YouTube, just watching Busyworks beats, Curtis King videos, and the mix videos, you name it. I recommend this style of learning as well, just because self-teaching allows you just to build the skills how you want to build them at your own rate, and also teach you something far more valuable than anything else could teach you, and that's your own sound as a music producer. And no, that does not mean I'm against school. I regret myself not going to school and taking that route, but even though school is not idolized in the music producer community, it still allows young producers to build relationships with each other and connections, which we in the world call networking. I hope you guys take all the information that I gave you today, put it together, and make something beautiful out of it. You feel me? Because becoming a music producer is literally just that simple. Making that beat. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you took a lot from it. Please remember to like if you like, and if you don't like, to leave a comment down below to let me know how I can improve. And I'll see you next time, alright? Alright, and I gotta go because my cat is stuck in a toaster.
Yeah. I hope you don't hate me after I go. You were the one who made me. I hope you don't replace me after I go, cause you're the one who changed me. I hope you don't hate me after I go, cause you're the one who made me. I hope you don't replace me after I go. You were the one who changed me. I know you really